Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, are you looking for a non-dairy caramel sauce? Well, then let me go ahead and show you this one from Hey Boo. This is made out of coconut milk, and best of all, it's not sweetened with corn syrup. So they actually use organic sugar, so that is really cool. Now I love using this caramel sauce to put on top of my ice cream, my oatmeal, and I love to put it on top of my yogurt. So that is really neat. Now, the recommendation says not to put it in the refrigerator. I put mine in the refrigerator because I have a really bad problem with ants and they find anything that is sweet. But I will recommend that if you don't have that issue, do not put it in the refrigerator so you can have that syrup consistency. Now, in my case, it is hard because I put it in the refrigerator. But I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. So if you don't have any issues with coconut milk and you don't mind the taste, which I don't feel, but hey, I don't know if that is just me, I will definitely recommend this caramel sauce from Hey Boo. But hey, that is just my point of view.